At another math puzzle na naman ang ating sasagutin. So ang tanong ay, what is the weight of the red ball in this balance scale? So pause the video and try to answer. Try mo ba? At kung nasagot mo ng tama, very good. At kung interested ka naman kung paano siya sagutin, keep watching. So maraming way para isolve to. Pwede kang mag-trial and error. Pero syempre dahil love natin ng math, I hope so, is gagamitan natin ng mathematical ways. So una is i-simplify muna natin siya. So makikita natin, so meron tayong dalawang side, yung left is balanced dun sa right. At hinahanap natin yung weight ng isang red ball. So kung balance yan is pwede tayong gumamit ng properties ng subtraction property wherein kapag nag-subtract ka ng specific weight sa left at sa right ng pareho is mananatili siyang equal. So we can assume that red balls are all equal in weight. So pwede kong tanggalin yung isang red ball sa right, at the same time tatanggalin ko rin yung sa left at mananatili siyang equal. So we repeat the process ng subtraction as long as na parehas yung tinatanggal natin sa dalawang side hanggang ma-simplify siya. So we can still subtract this another red ball and another one pa kasi tatlo yung pwede natin i-cancel out. And meron pa ba tayong pwedeng i-cancel out? Yes, yung 2 kilograms each side. So pwede nating tanggalin yung 2 kilograms sa left at tatanggalin din natin yung 2 kilograms sa right. So magiging na lang siyang 5 kilograms. Okay? And then lastly, isulat na natin yung simplified form niya. So sa left, meron tayong natirang dalawang red balls. At sa right naman, meron kang natirang 5 kilograms. So in this case, mas madali na lang siyang isolve. Siyempre, i-divide natin sa 2 yung 5 para ma-solve natin yung single red ball, yung weight ng isang single red ball. So that will be 5 divided by 2. The answer is 2.5. So therefore, a single red ball weighs 2.5 kilograms. And if you want to check, pwede naman natin i-check yan, is kailangan lang nating i-substitute o i-assume na yung weight ng isang single red ball is 2.5 and then find for the weight of both sides na dapat equal siya. So pakita natin. So yung left natin is meron kang 5 red balls. So that would be 5 times 2.5 equals 12.5. And then plus yung 2 kilograms niya, so that will be 12.5 plus 2 is 14.5. So dapat nakuha rin natin yung 14.5 doon sa right side. And sa right side naman, meron tayong tatlong red balls, so that will be 3. And each weighs 2.5. So that is 3 times 2.5 is 7.5 plus yung 7 kilograms natin. And the answer is 14.5. So therefore, our answer is correct.